Charlie's Moment goes in. Set for the Robert Lewis. And away they go. I Want Revenge is away quickly. Papa Clem is right there now. Here's Brother Keith. Obviously wants the lead, and Brother Keith sprints away to take it. Down at the rail is Bittle Road. On the outside, Charlie's Moment. Now here's Pioneer of the Nile. Racing back fourth last. Gives them 7 length start. It'll be suited by this quick pace, though. In behind that, we have Mark S. the Cooler up alongside Oil Man, and Shafted as last, 12 off them. Past the 3/4 pole they go, and Brother Keith still at a good pace, a length in front. Here's Papa Clem right there in the second spot. Back in third is I Want Revenge, a very comfortable third as they slow the pace down now. Bittle Road at the rail is racing along in fourth. On the far side is Charlie's Moment. Pioneer of the Nile still back in the 6th spot, gives them 7 length start. Oil Man is travelling nicely, just a length and a half behind that. Down at the rail comes Mark S. the Cooler, and still at the back is Shafted. Now 10 lengths would cover them all. Less than a half mile to go, and it's still Brother Keith by a length. In the second spot is Papa Clem. Just in behind those two is I Want Revenge. Bittle Road down at the rail. Up alongside of that, Pioneer of the Nile now getting a little closer. Charlie's Moment on the far side. In behind that is Oil Man. Inside of them, Mark S. the Cooler and Shafted. They've taken much closer order. Now Brother Keith is in deep order, being tackled on all sides. Papa Clem gets the lead. I Want Revenge is right there. Pioneer of the Mile now sent after them down the centre of the track. Bittle Road in with a shot too. Coming for home, Papa Clem trying to cause the upset. Right up alongside I Want Revenge. Pioneer of the Nile coming flying late on the outside. And here's Pioneer of the Nile like an express train late. And Pioneer of the Nile got up to win it. Papa Clem ran a huge 1 second. Then I Want Revenge and Bittle Road.